Alright guys, this is the unboxing of our snake from Ryan Sullivan over there at Ivory Connection. I got to actually get off a half a day just to do this. Good thing, Ryan, because we had to go to the shipping place to pick her up because you forgot our lot number. Ha! Alright, anyways, here we go. Then you can't stab my snake.
I know I'm slow.
You alright? Trust me, she can't wait to get out, but we don't need to rush too much. And I did ask him for a little extra something that he had going on that he figured he could just give me. So we got it 2 for the price of 1. Yeah. It's the gayest last name ever. What's it say on there?
I'm not touching that.
Oh, come on, it's just a pet tarantula.
I don't even like spiders.
Come on.
Nah, send it back.
Let's just see what the tarantula looks like first.
No! Get away.
Can you hold this? I don't want to put her directly. Come on, let's just see what the tarantula. I don't even see the snake in there.
No!
You'll be fine.
You might have screwed up, dude.
You send it back.
Might.
Don't even open it. Take it outside.
I want to see what it looks like first.
No.
Yeah, come on. Give me those damn scissors again.
On my counter?
I got working
Spider
man.
on my damn counter.
So what? Let's see what it looks like.
Ew, no. Ew. You're such a liar.
Be careful. She might be a little mean.
Such a liar.
How's that for a
little
tarantula?
Baby.
Look at that beautiful snake. Ah!
Can I touch it?
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So you like a tarantula?
Shut up. I was gonna be like, send it back. Don't even take it out.
God, look at that coloring, boy.
Your eyes.
Thanks, my nickel.